Emerge. We help cardiologists save lives. By improving the detection of at-risk patients, we raise the quality of healthcare, and by reducing the utilization of unnecessary medical procedures, we lower the cost of care. The number one cause of death in the United States is heart disease. 1 in 4 American deaths per year is caused by a heart disease-related event. 1 in 5 Americans will suffer heart failure within 1 year of diagnosis. Every 34 seconds, someone in America has a heart attack. 800,000 Americans will experience their first heart attack this year, joining over 450,000 who will be on at least their second. Heart disease kills over 600,000 Americans each year. 30 million doctor and hospital visits per year have heart disease as the primary diagnosis. When combining the costs of healthcare services, medications, and lost market productivity, heart disease carries an annual price tag of over $300 billion for the United States alone. Healthcare has been slow to keep up with information technology systems. None of the existing clinical decision support for cardiology is integrated in real time with electronic health record data. In the realm of cardiology, there are over 7,500 ever-changing appropriate use criteria and guidelines. Combined with numerous factors affecting potential diagnosis for heart patients, the potential number of variables with which a modern cardiologist must contend number into the billions. That's where Emerge comes in. We place the last 2 decades of comprehensive cardiology at your fingertips. Patients trust doctors with their health, and doctors trust Emerge with helping them make faster and better decisions. Our software was developed by cardiologists for cardiologists to put in place Emerge care paths, utilizing patented algorithms which adhere to the current appropriate use criteria and guidelines and perform over 8,000 calculations per patient in a heartbeat. Emerge can work with any electronic medical record by employing a sophisticated rules engine to mine discrete data and providing doctors with real-time, evidence-based clinical decision support. Our results currently exceed the Stage 1 meaningful use requirements of the HITECH Act and the proposed requirements of Stages 2 and 3. Emerge doesn't meet the industry standard, it sets it. Our service allows for identification of at-risk sudden cardiac death patients at levels higher by up to 300% than what is currently offered by existing systems. And our adherence to the most current criteria and guidelines increases the quality of the healthcare provided. This quality increase can be measured. Our detailed analytics allow a practice to see acceptance rates by doctor and by care path. Your adherence to the criteria and guidelines is automatically documented. We recognize that suitable care for one patient may be unsuitable for another. As things stand today, valuable time and money are often wasted on inappropriate procedures. Emerge effectively reduces these inappropriate procedures, helping doctors make efficient use of medical resources. Tedious individual order approval is now a thing of the past. Emerge allows for bundled order injection, saving doctors valuable time. This increase in efficiency does come at a cost, a lower cost. Clinics and doctors using Emerge can expect a full return of investment within the first year, oftentimes multiple returns. And we protect your capital by proving our worth to you before you commit. There are no hidden fees, but rather simple, all-inclusive turnkey pricing. Emerge will fit seamlessly into your existing workflow and provide you with round-the-clock support. So, in the final analysis, who benefits? Well, the patient and the doctor, the hospital, the insurance provider, and of course, the social and financial fabric that connects them all. Everyone benefits. To decide if our solutions are your solutions, do what you do each and every day. Just listen to the heart.